Hi there, welcome to Wize and this first video showing you how to set up your account and also the first website within your account. So it's pretty simple, it should take about 2 minutes, and we start by hitting one of the Get Started buttons on the main website homepage, which leads you to a very simple form which shouldn't take too long to fill out. I'm just going to do this live now. Just set up an email here for the demo, and you need to check your email to activate your account. So we close that tab, check our email, and we've got an email to validate. So I'm going to validate the email, complete, close that, back in, and any second now. Great, so we've got an email saying the account is open. So now we can take the password, head over to the login, and type in our email again. Paste in the password, and we are logged in. It really is that simple. There's not going to be questions over credit card information, anything like that. The key is to get you in as soon as possible so you can have a look around and set things up. So we're now in the home page of the admin interface, and we haven't got a domain or website set up yet. So we're going to simply add a website, and we're going to use our main homepage of our main website for this, and just hit new domain, and then you get your tracking code. So this tracking code is going to go just before the closing body tag on every page of your website where you want Wize call tracking to work. So you simply copy the code, go to your editor where you've got your website code. We have a little footer file that runs on every page. Here is the closing body tag. Just before it, we're going to put in the script here, which essentially runs Wize for you. You hit save, and that's saved. And then in theory, you can go to the website. Sometimes worth here a sort of a refresh, make sure it pulls the latest version. I then tend to look inside the page element and say inspect, look at the element, scroll to the bottom, and you should be able to see the code that we've just installed. If you can see the code, it means that it's pulled through correctly. If it's not there, it could be that when you saved it, there's an element of caching, and you might need to just go out, come back in, just to give it a bit of a hard kick. Once you can see it, in theory, when you go back to the dashboard and you refresh this original page, this turns to a green tick and it's receiving data. Everything looks good. And that is it so far. So we've set up the account. We set up the first domain, which is wize.co.uk for us, that is. And there is nothing in here yet because nothing else has been set up. But for now, that's the end of the first video, and check out the other videos for setting up and managing phone numbers.